Hello, good afternoon, Tribuners. Welcome back with me, Kusnul Asyaifah, in Indonesian News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here the complete news. The first news is Legal Counsel question Brigadier J's mobile phone. The team of Alert 3 from Brigadier Nofriansyah Yosua Hutabarat or Brigadier J questioned his delicious cell phone, which has not been found yet after being declared dead after host the head of the Propam Division, Inspector General Ferdy Sambo. This was stated by the authorities for Brigadier Yosua Kabarudin Simanjuntak when he was going to make a police report to the Criminal Investigation Unit of the National Police to Jakarta on the Monday. In this case, Kamaru relieved to the party report suspend case of the left embraces of Brigadier J. His call upon the National Police Criminal Investigation Department. However, the report case is still under investigation. Leaked hacking experience by Brigadier J's family, not only one person, almost the entire family was hacked. The next news is the appearance of the Bechi, the son of the Kiai Jombang, the fact of the Obscenity in the first trial. The head of the East Java Prosecutor Office, Amiati, led of the 10 public processor in the initial or the indictment agenda, MSAT 41 years old, or Bechi, son of the Kiai Jombang, a Defendant in the student molestation case, which is held in the Cakra Courtroom, Surabaya District Court on the Monday, 11 July 2022. According to the TRIBUN.com observation of the location, a number of the MSAT authorities had already sat on the court chairs in the courtroom. Then, followed by the group of the public prosecutor led directly by the head of the East Java Prosecutor Office, Amiati pursued a crowd of media crews crammed onto the route leading to the trial area. Based on the case number 1361 point in the 2022/PN/SPE, the Defendant Mas Bechi of Rizal or the Mas Bechi bin Mahtar Muti will undergo in the first trial on the Monday, 11 2022. Located on the District Court Office, Surabaya. The first trial was scheduled for the reading instrument as a regulation. The three nature with the punishment in Article 2022 the Criminal Code in conjunction with Article 60 of the Criminal Code. However, the implementation of the trial, scheduled behind closed door, the trial will be led by the panel of judges, including Chief Justice Satrisno, Member Judge Titik Budi Winiarti, and Judge Knawando. While the substance register Ahmad Fajar Siman. For your information, the course of the alleged sexual violence marked the Brigadier MSAT or the Mas Bechi, the son of the famous Kiai Peloso Jombang, seemed to seek in the and out. Since it was family report on in the 2019 or the long before COVID-19 pandemic. Purchase effort for the police to reach suspect in the last few months until Thursday because the case file has been declared compliant or P12-1 by the East Java High Processor Office since Thursday, 4/1/2022. The next news is Brigadier J's death. Family report 3 cases to the police criminal investigation unit. The family of Brigadier Nofriansyah Yosua Hutabarat, or Brigadier J, and his team report 3 cases to the Criminal Investigation Unit of the National Police, Jakarta on the Monday 11, 2022 at around 10 p.m. They arrived to the Criminal Investigation Unit National Police, which is referred the family to report alleged crime of the murder, then left hacking in the case of the death of Brigadier J. Recording report of the Brigadier family of Thursday, Kamarudin Simanjuntak explained that until now, Brigadier J's cell phone or the handphone has not been found. Not only that, Kamarudin also relieved many wounds body rid of the Brigadier J. For this reason, this official report was submitted by the family attorney Brigadier. Thus, this declaration of the Brigadier J's death has a strong basis. According to TRIBUN.com, at least Brigadier J's family letters consider of the people who suffered the report. Kamarudin family refers to the mention that there was shooting between Brigadier J and Badahara at the Inspector General Ferdy Sambo's house. According to the Kamarudin, from all advice, the family has a Brigadier J's death strongly leads to the torture. Kamarudin also attributed that Brigadier J absurd Inspector General Ferdy Sambo's wife with entering her home. Kamarudin explained that the inspector has some advice the Brigadier J was threatened. The next news is Somos father chronology report to the police by the village head. Somos father, an old man 62 years old, in the Tuban, East Java, was reported to the police by the village head in his place. This is after Simba vented on social media about social assistant or social assistant. The post received to the reports from the netizen. Someone was reported to police by the village head Gurwan to name it Spanji. Grandfather Samo, also the chronology of the event and problem that happened to him. He said, problem began with a plot on Facebook social media, namely the Tuban Information Network group. Salmo took social media citizen the government for the social assistant. In the upload, he also included a photo of this wife ID card. Himself, not without reason to write the sentence. Someone's family have to suffer admit that they never seen received social assistance from the government. Even the admit the COVID-19 pandemic had out severely his economy wages and only of the COVID group. Some also explained that they are still a poor village which is not receiving assistance but strongly people who cannot afford actually get help. Apology after report to the police by the police head Mbah Salmo said they had been investigated. The police then advised Mbah Salmo and to the apologize for his upload, which is the reasons various comments from netizens. Meanwhile, responding to Mbah Salmo's report, the head of the Go Somos Montong Tuban District Panji operated to his voice. Panji said the report Salmo because the upload was considering instituting. Salmo also considered to have deferred the village operators Bechi claimed the unnamed numbers received of the social assistance were a theology, and the government control although the village government had a suggestion none of the mah in the Somos order to the receive assistance. Accessibility. The time among a social media assistant is limited. Bechi might has only one to differ effect by the report in the Somos the police. So that neither resident depart in Somos action. A 19 because the family and received the village from district assistant are 130 benefit care family. The next news is the struggle of the young mother giving a birth in the middle of the sea on the Facebook. A young mother named Mega Christy Claudia, 22 years old. She was forced to give birth about the Express Bahari, a 3B festival from the Palembang to Tanjung Kalna Montoport, West Bangka Regency. Mega struggled to the life, died in order to give birth to her baby, who is later discovered to be a boy. Luckily, when she was construction and to give birth, one of the both for Palembang was a midwife. So, the delivery process is successful and safe. Both the mother and child are in good health. As our know, Mega from the Palembang was about to return to Montok at the Express Bahari 3B festival. In the middle of the trip, Mega suddenly experienced contraction because her pregnancy was close to giving birth. The young mother was lucky on the trip. A birthday was a midwife in the soul birthday procession assisted by the midwife. Despite giving birth in the emergency, Mega and her baby in good health. The captain of the Maritime Express ship 3B, Butu Badar, said his ship was the captain departed from the Batu Port Palembang at around 8 a.m. According to him, the process of giving birth was a Sabda Muzi River Aswari Bayuasin Regency, South Sumatra. Mega Christy Claudia arrived the Tanjung Kalianda Port, Montok District, West Bangka Belitung Islam Province, Sunday and immediately taken to the Montok Health Center for a further treatment. Mega Christy Claudia arrived to the Tanjung Kalianda and afford to enlist and join officer to the Montok Health Center for the treatment. Meanwhile, the Christy Natalia and the sister Mega Christy Claudia, he said that both a mother and a baby crucial under treatment to the Montok Health Center. We know that many pregnant women, especially young mother, are wondering how a labor feels, how long it's not to know the state of giving birth. The next news is route Sabang to the Rungkungan Lutra landslide. The condition of the access route in the Parara village, Sabang District, North Luwu, Sulawesi is damaged. Halt of the route adjustment by the Rongkongan River. This is route connects Sabang District is the Rongkong and Seko. There are several access route points in the Parara village which has been dead by the Rongkongan River. This is only land route and resident parts in the Rongkong and Seko district. A resident of the Parara village Ramal and said the route been conditional for almost a year. Residents hope that the will be repaired soon before the may gets worse. This road also passed by the resident of Sabang village, Salama, Malimbu, Tulak Talu, Parara, Tulung village. A resident of Pararambita and say was worried route would be cut off. The risk of virtual fatal because it will send residents to sport and rice and garden product. There are several incidents to the motorcycle found the river at the night. This demand is fairly flexible at the night. At this point, by the barrier has been installed. President was to cross the route and after first time, please be more careful. And the last news is illegal tin minor color burning in the soil. Dandi Firmanto, 43 years old, is died. This injection Robin type conservation team mining worker died after being by the landslide Sunday at around early morning. The body and resident of the Aikakik village, Damar, is Belitung, has now been taken to the further home. The incident began to the fight team has collection Asep Sukandar, 30 years old, searching for the land using rubbing injection machine in a Appalachian area on the Lama Medwall Street, the village, Kelapa Complete Police. Kelapa Complete Police Chief Adjutant Commissioner of Police More confirmed by the postbleeding.co on the Sunday. He explained the brief chronology of the ill-fated event in the question. Then, sometime later, when Asap looked into the hole, his partner was already burning in the ground. Immediately Asap gave first aid by the digging for the using hand. He met to the digging hand fight team, but his fight team was already died to the him moved to the sick location resident to take him his another health center. Well, I think that's all the news for today with me, Kustul Aishaifa. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.